Well, changed and ready to rebuild. That's the attitude of many storm victims throughout the Carolinas.
Hurricane Florence has left the lives of many people in North Carolina forever changed.
Residents are starting to pick up the pieces 2 weeks after Florence made landfall. Some had just relocated to the area and were settling in when the storm hit. Joey Taylor and his family are among the hundreds rescued by the Coast Guard. They had just returned from Pollocksville this week and are thankful for their neighbors' support.
The community has really come together and bonded as one big family. Everybody's helping everybody. We're putting everything back together as quick as we can.
Early estimates put the damage in the tens of billions of dollars, largely from flooding. But most insurance plans don't cover flooding, leaving many homeowners with costlier recoveries. And the National Weather Service confirmed 5 tornadoes touched down in North Carolina during Florence. While none of the incidences were caught on camera, this video shows some of the strength of the storm. On September 13th, 3 touched down, including 1 in Hyde County. On the 14th, 1 touched down in Carteret County and stayed on the ground for nearly 5 miles. Then on the 15th, a 5th touched down near the military base of Camp Lejeune.